What is brain fog? Brain fog is not a medical disease. It's a state of mental dysfunction. People with brain fog often feel difficulty concentrating, slow thinking, poor memory, mental exhaustion, feeling detached from reality. It's like your brain is running on low battery mode. Everything works, but nothing works well. What does brain fog feel like? It's more than just being tired. People usually describe it as poor concentration, difficulty staying on a single task, forgetfulness, walking into a room and forgetting why you're there, mental fatigue, feeling spaced out or like your thoughts are moving through molasses, word-finding issues, knowing what you want to say but the specific word is just out of reach. Why does brain fog happen? Brain fog is usually your brain asking for help. Here are the most common causes. 1. Chronic stress. When you're stressed for too long, your brain releases cortisol constantly. Over time, this shrinks focus and memory. 2. Poor sleep. Sleep isn't rest. Sleep is repair. Without deep sleep, your brain can't clear waste proteins, and mental clarity disappears. 3. Overstimulation. Too much phone. Too many tabs. Too much scrolling. Your brain never gets silence, so it forgets how to think deeply. 4. Nutritional deficiency. Lack of water, iron, B12, omega-3. Your brain literally lacks fuel. 5. Emotional suppression. Unprocessed emotions don't disappear. They stay and cloud your thinking. How to manage it? If you're looking for immediate ways to sharpen your focus, consider these: the brain hygiene steps. Prioritize sleep. It's the only time your brain's lymphatic system flushes out metabolic waste. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Hydrate. Even mild dehydration can shrink brain tissue volume and impair short-term memory. Manage stress. Chronic cortisol, the stress hormone, can actually short-circuit your hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory. The single-task rule. Multitasking is a myth. It actually drains your mental energy faster. Try focusing on one thing for 25 minutes, then taking a break. Now I want you to listen carefully. If your brain fog is accompanied by sudden numbness, difficulty speaking, or severe headaches, or if it's interfering with your ability to function daily, please consult a healthcare professional. They can run blood tests to rule out things like thyroid imbalances or nutrient deficiencies.